Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. How you brewing? Anyways, we have Antonio Nurri from Nurri Espresso Machines. And what do we have in front of us today? Which model?
We have our baby girl R-Type. And we have the version here with dual boiler.
Dual boiler is what everybody's been waiting for.
PID.
PID? Wow.
And surprise, surprise. Rotation pump built in. So,
wow. Flow control?
yes.
So here's our unboxing of this machine. And you need a utility knife or some scissors. You got to use it to take the top off. Okay, take the tape off the top, open that up, and we have our beautiful accessory kit. And we have another piece of cardboard and another piece of...
Wait, there are two holes here. You can...
Oh, you have some holes here?
Yeah.
Okay, you have some holes here to pull it out.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, you can make two holes there.
Sure. Now,
I'm not tall enough, but...
me either.
Yeah, you're not tall enough either.
Yeah.
I will put this box on the floor and I will pull out the machine.
There we are.
And here we are with the machine wrapped. We do test every machine. Now this is the first one that we received from Nurri because we want to test it. And there's no side panels. How come? Because we request them that way.
Yes.
And why do we request them that way? So you can choose which side panels you want. So when you purchase from us, you will have to choose that. Okay, the side panels that are going to go on here. And again, we test every single unit. Take the packaging out in the front. And this looks a little different than previous R-Types. This is a new design?
Yes, this is a new design to disassemble easier the group head and get directly on control of the pipe here for the group head.
Okay.
So
perfect. And we get, what, 4 baskets? What size are these?
Those
58?
are 58. Those are 58.
Double. This is a smaller double and a single. We have a nice tamper. On this machine currently we have also a leveler.
Yes.
Dual spout. And I believe that we can choose the wood as well on this.
Of course you can. This one is the Brano, as you can see.
Brano, bottomless. And what are these little things?
Those are the hooks to hold the side panel on the machine.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you put this on the wood.
Yes.
And what's this extra bolt? Oh, that's an extra one for this.
Yes.
So that's to put that into place.
Correct, yeah. There we are.
Okay, and then we have the water tank here, steam wand, okay, and the controllers here. So that's a quick unboxing of the dual boiler, which is known as also DB.
Yes.
Correct?
And R stands for rotating pump, of course.
And R for rotary pump. And actually, you can see the pump and the motor right here. Beautiful machine. Look out for our next videos going over how to set up the machine and also making some great quality espresso. How you brewing? This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment with Antonio Nurri from Nurri Espresso. Please subscribe to our YouTube channels. Give us a thumbs up. Not only share to show that you care, but also make sure you keep following us. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second.